Hello friends, welcome to CadBench. Now we are going to see a demo about Creo. Here I will explain user interface and the tools. If you open Creo, homepage will appear. Syllabus is covered in Creo art, part modeling. In part modeling, tools like Extrude, Revolve will be covered. Next, sheet metal. There will be a thickness range for sheet metal. Next, surface modeling. It will be useful in automobile outer body designs and then aircraft. Next, how to create assembly will be covered. In assembly, both bottom up and top down approach will be covered. In drafting, all tools will be covered, and then next motion study in assembly, and then mold tools. These are the topics will be covered in Creo. First, home page. In home page, first we need to set work directory. In other softwares, we will save after completing the part. Here, we need to set location first. After this, we'll form a new page and go for part. Here, we will work sheet metal also. Here, template will be shown. We will explain about this too. Here, I will choose MMNS means millimeter Newton per seconds. Next, ABS means absolute. Next, here extrude, revolve, and then in-depth everything tools will be covered here, like helical sweep, everything. Next, modify, how to edit a part. If I need to sketch, choose correct view plane. If front view need to be drawn, choose front plane and set to normal view. Next, draw a sketch and define it. We'll teach how to define a sketch also. Next, we can go for solid modeling. We will teach all type of options here like extrude, revolve, sweep, loft, hole and pattern. Next, new page and go to sheet metal. Use default template and give any input we need. In sheet metal, base flange is important. First is draw a sketch and like a closed profile and go for base flange means planar extrude. Using that, we will create a base. By using this base edges, we can go for other flange options. Choose front plane and draw a sketch like closed profile and give planar extrude and give some thickness here and form a sheet metal. We will teach about the thickness manual calculations and then thickness ranges also. Then how to measure total length in sheet metal also we will teach about that. In sheet metal manufacturing, after calculating the overall length, they will cut it for that and bend like this. In sheet metal, all other tools will only enable after you giving base flange means planar extrude. Next, we can convert a solid into sheet metal by using convert to sheet metal and also get it back as a solid by using convert to solid. All other tools in sheet metal will be covered. Next, surface option will be there. In solid, use default and give input, then give OK. I'm drawing an open sketch and giving extrude and we can choose it will be solid or surface. Before teaching surface, we will teach about the file conversion. Everything will be covered in surface also. If you apply a material, I can remove it. There will be an option there. After removing the material, it will be surface. In revolve and sweep also, surface option will be there. Next, assembly. Assembly means making assembly by multiple parts. Here we will go for assembly design and use default template and choose template. Now, how to insert a component? Go assembly and browse location and pick a part. This is the procedure. Here, constraints will be there to assemble the part. This will be used to arrest 6 degrees of freedom. In assembly also, both top-down and bottom-up approaches will be covered. Bottom-up means assembling the parts only, already created parts. Top-down means making a new design in assembly modeling. Next, drafting. How to create a detailing for a part. Here we can convert 3D into 2D. Here drawing option will be there. In drawing, disable use default template. Here templates will be there. Used templates means automatic templates. Empty with format means it will be with this table. This empty means it will be a empty one. Here how to get a view. Here we need to load first. Go to drawing model, next add model, choose part and it will be opened. It will be added here and give done. Place where you want. This is called property. You can change view orientation, change scales also. Next, you can go for section. Here you can change whether it is in wireframe or else in hidden lines. And then next you can change a fixed origin and change position using alignment. This all tools is to get views. Projected view also thought and details will be also thought. It is used to maximize a small area. Auxiliary view will be also thought. Next, mold. Here, go to new, click manufacturing and go to mold. We can take core cavity here, how to import a model, how to remove core cavity by using parting surfaces, then how to scale using shrinkage. Everything will be covered here.